morning, everybody. Today's the 4th of July. Let's get it going. And surprise, surprise. So, since today's the 4th of July, that means that we're going to do all the celebrations. We're going to go to the float. We're going to have dinner with the grandparents. And then fireworks. So, yeah, it'll be fun. It'll be exciting. It'll be glorious.
It's way easier than here.
We're moving. We just stopped. We just stopped. Oh.
They're gonna definitely win. It's cat. 3D glasses.
Wait, they should do red, white, and blue.
They're not 3D.
And that is supposed to be red, white.
Buggity. Yeah.
Spread that way a little.
Yay. There we go, good idea.
No, let's just leave it like this.
Yeah.
Hurry, come on.
Hey. Woo. Hi. We'll move back. Hey! Woo! We're stopping for some reason. Oh. Well, I don't know.
That's weird.
Happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th!
Yeah. It's over.
Woo!
That was fun. He's a pirate. Oh. How'd it go, Miles?
The longest walks. Did you guys go eat them?
Very fun. All my candy was gone.
It was muy fantástico.
Candy?
That was fun.
It is so backed up. Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my word. The only time this would get back up is either 4th of July or when there's a wreck. Oh my word. How long will this keep on going? Oh my gosh.
Mom, someone was saying Katie and I didn't hear them.
Jack Johnson or
Mom, someone.
Hey everybody, hope you guys are having a fantastic, let me think when I'm posting this. Today's Tuesday, fantastic Wednesday. I'm off. We're off to go to my grandparents to have some dinner. And then after that we are going right to the fireworks. So I'll try and post as much as I can on that. By the way, hope you guys enjoyed that footage. It was really hard for me to get, but I think we did good. So yeah. Today is the 5th of July. Can you guys actually see me? I don't know. I'm gonna move it here. You can't see me now, but there. We were on our way to have dinner with the grandparents and friends and family and I forgot to bring my fucking camera. So, no fireworks. It was a big show. I was like, hey, okay, that's fine. I'll just film it on my phone and somehow do some technical difficulty stuff and send it on here so you guys can still see it. And then my phone died. So, yeah, I have a video of fireworks for you. And I will play them off for you with some noise. Sorry. That was the end. That was the end of the vlog. Hope you guys had a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Fire.